Hey signers, so welcome back to Sign with me. In today's lesson, I'm going to be dishing out the part 2 of How to Eat Signs. If you've not seen the part 1 of How to Eat Signs, please go back to my page. It is right there. You can watch and learn these signs. And in today's lesson, our teachings, or in this video, our teachings is going to be divided or split into two sections. So now we're going to be focusing on drinks and desserts, and then later we will be talking about different meals and types of restaurants. So let's learn how to sign out to eat signs. Pepsi, Pepsi, Pepsi. Now you use your little finger and then you do a sign of cross, like a cross on your forehead for Pepsi. Pepsi. Coke or Coke. Now you either finger spell Coke or you do this for Coke. This is also a sign for Coke. Water, water. Now, your W sign placed around your mouth and move in this motion. Water, water. Coffee, coffee. Now, this, we like to think of this as grinding your coffee. So, coffee. An S sign with your both hands, your dominant and your non-dominant hand, this way for coffee. Coffee. Tea, 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 tea. Now I would like to think of this as putting your tea bag in your water for tea. Tea. Milk, milk, milk. We like to think of this as milking a cow. Milk, milk. Juice, juice, juice. Now it's a little finger with a J sign around your mouth for juice. Juice, juice. Drink, drink, drink. Now you place a C-shaped hand around your mouth and do this for drink. Now we like to think of this as the action you do when taking something or when drinking something. So drink, drink. Soda, pop or coke. Now we like to think of this as the pop sound. So soda, pop or coke. Dessert, dessert. A D-shaped hand from your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand together this way for dessert. Dessert. Cookies. Cookies. Now, we like to think of these as the shape or how cookie is being formed this way. Cookies. Cookies. Ice cream. Ice cream. Now, we like to think of these as the cone for ice cream, how it's being held and then licked. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Milkshake, milkshake or milk shake. Now we could do this as shake or shake. So milk shake, milk shake. Cake. Now cake has some varieties of signs. It could be cake, it could be cake, it could be cake, it could be cake or cake. So whichever one is cake. Cake. Pie, pie. Now we like to think of this as cutting the pie. So pie, pie. So let's put some of these signs into sentences. Do you want coffee or tea? Coffee, tea, want, which, you. What is your favorite kind of ice cream? Your ice cream favorite? What kind? Great job, signers. So now let's learn how to sign type of meals and restaurant. Restaurant, restaurant. Now, an R hand, you do this around your mouth for restaurant. Now think of this as taking a napkin and dapping your mouth after having something to eat or after eating. So, restaurant. Fast food, fast food. Now, fast and then food. So, fast food. Hungry, hungry, hungry. A C-shaped hand placed on your chest and pulled down to your stomach for hungry, hungry. Thirsty, thirsty. Now, use your index finger placed on your chin and pull down to your chest for thirsty, thirsty. Breakfast, breakfast. Now, this is food and then this is money. So, breakfast. Lunch, lunch, or lunch. An L-shaped hand placed around your mouth this way for lunch. Lunch, lunch. Brunch. You just finger spell B-R-U-N-C-H for brunch. Dinner, dinner, or dinner. It could be dinner or dinner. American food, American and food. So, American food. Barbecue, barbecue. Now you just do B-B-Q. So, barbecue. Thai food. So, Thailand and food. So, Thai food. Thai food. Thailand and food. Chinese food, Chinese food. Mexican food, Mexican and food. Mexican food. Indian food, Indian food. Your thumb placed on your forehead this way for Indian and then food. French food, French food. French food. Great job, signers. I know I have given you a lot of how to eat signs. Please remember to always practice. Keep practicing. As I always say, practice makes perfect. So, until next time, keep signing with me.